Welcome to MarineMax Pensacola. Today we're going to do a walkthrough of the 2019 Harris 250 Solstice DC. This particular boat is powered by the new Mercury 300 Verado. As you can see, the new quick oil check and fill system right on top of the cowling. This boat is going to have the stainless ski tow bar, stainless boarding ladder, the safety railing with chains. And again, this is the very popular single lounger layout. Come on in the boat. This has the dual helm chair option with the high backs. Here at the helm, you've got the digital throttle shift, touch buttons, Simrad GPS, tilt wheel steering, JL Audio upgraded stereo with the sub in the back. As you come through, you've got the walk-through windshield. There is a door that goes here so you can close it off completely. As we come forward, has an in-floor ski locker storage, side entry gate, plenty of forward seating with flip-down cup holders. This concludes the walkthrough of the 2019 Harris 250 Solstice DC. Come see us at MarineMax Pensacola.